Okay, so this is the sunflower seedlings at 2 weeks old. You can see they're doing well, but it's time for them to have their own pot now. So I'm going to transplant them into this larger pot, which has a sunflower on it, which is appropriate. And I'm going to use some recycled compost that I've got here from, it had some bedding plants in it last year. Okay, so we've got 4 plants potted up here. This is going to be the main plant that we're going to focus on, and I've got these as like backup plants in case one dies. So all we need to do now is give them water, and I've got some rainwater from the pond. So here they are a couple of days later on my windowsill, and this is a south facing windowsill. So they're probably just over 2 weeks old now. And I have another one in my porch, also facing south. They're getting their real set of leaves now, so these are like the starter 2 leaves, and then the real leaves are coming. So it's been about a week now, and they've been in the porch growing for a week, and you can see they've got their sort of main leaves coming. And I've just been keeping the soil moist, giving them a spritz. And I think soon they're going to really start growing. So here's the next update. Probably getting on for 2 weeks now. So here are the sunflower seedlings at about a month from sowing. All growing nicely. Originally a whole pack of seeds was put in, so we've had to give some away to friends and family, and this is what we've got left. That one's not doing too good. This one's doing really good. There's 2 there. So now I'm going to pot them on, and I've planted out 2 of these sunflower seedlings at the front of the garden, and this is south facing. You can see they're doing quite well now. And I've got them in this planter, so they should really speed up. Now they've got quite a few leaves to take on all the sunlight. And the other one is over here.
So I decided to pot one up all on its own, just to see kind of how big these dwarf sunflowers can go. So I just gently teased the roots and then added some compost, and then just gently filled around the edges and pushed it down. So for all the other sunflower seedlings, because I don't have much space, I just decided to plant them all together in one large pot, and that would just prevent them from growing too big and just keep them all compact and together. ideally you'd want to give them a bit more space, because they will be competing for nutrients and water, etc. But I mean, there's plenty of soil in this pot anyway, and I'm going to keep them watered. And another good thing about keeping them in a high, large pot like this is that it prevents slugs getting to the bottom of the plants and damaging them. So after about a week, the heads started to form. And the one on its own had already started to flower. So then at about another week later, the first of the heads started to flower, and at this point you can give them some plant feed, that's fine, just to encourage the flowers. And then at about another week later, about half the heads have come out, so they should continue to flower for the next month or two. So if you found this video useful, please leave me a like and also comment. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. And as always, thank you very much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.